How to fix WhatsApp force close problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp force close problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down, scroll until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type WhatsApp and click on it, and then click storage, and here you will find clear cache, clear it, and then click force stop here, this one, click on it, and then go to permissions and enable all of those permissions. Now just that's it, your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you can just restart your phone, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.